everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we are brought here on the tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can log out from your WhatsApp. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, do share this video with your friends and family who also need it and can solve the problem as well. And we will simply just start our video now. So you will simply just go to your WhatsApp app first, make sure it is updated. So you will simply tap on this three dot on your top right corner, and then you will tap on this option called settings over here, and then you will simply tap on this account. And as you can see over here, there are options like delete my account, change my numbers, request account info, but there is no option called log out from WhatsApp whatsoever. There is no option like log out from WhatsApp. There is another way you can log out. So what you will do is simply go to your mobile settings over here, and then you will go to this apps or apps manager. You can simply tap on it, apps again, and over here finally you can see the option called storage over here. Simply tap on it, and you can see this clear data or clear cache option. Simply clear your cache as well, and simply tap on this clear data option. As you can read over here, all this apps data will be deleted permanently. This includes all files, settings, accounts, databases, etc. So it will genuinely delete all of your data over there. You will get logged out of your account, and then again have to go back to your WhatsApp, enter all of your informations, and log back to your WhatsApp app. So if you do this, you can get logged out from your WhatsApp. Otherwise, you would have the only option called delete account, as I showed over there as well. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, do make sure to subscribe our channel and like this video as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching our video. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.